This is step 3, finding the scale factor. To find the scale factor of both dimensions, my length and my width, I use the copy over the original for my scale factor. So to do this, I find the ratio of lengths and widths. Then I'm going to use a calculator to find the exact scale factor. I start with the length of my paper. The length of my paper is 30.3 centimeters. I write that, 30.3. Then I need the length of my comic. Here's the length of my comic, 6.8. I write that here. Next, I will divide 30.3 by 6.8. So I need a calculator. So, turn it on. I have 30.3 divided by 6.8 equals, I see it's equal to 4.45. Now I'm just taking it to the nearest tenth. So I look at the number next to it, which is the hundredths position, and I say, is this greater or less than 5? And it's exactly 5. So I'm going to round this number up. So this becomes 4.5. I've rounded that 4 to a 5. So I'm going to write 4.5. Now I'm going to do the same thing with the width. Clear that out. I want to find the width of my paper. The width of my paper is 22.8. 22.8 centimeters. I need to find the width of my comic. The width of my comic is 5.1 centimeters. So I write that right below it. Now I'm going to use my calculator again to divide 22.8 by 5.1. So 22.8 divided by 5.1 equals 4.47. 7 is in the hundredths place. It's greater than 5. So I'm going to round the 4 to 4.5. Clear. Now I had an amazing thing happen. It doesn't usually happen like this. I need to pick the smallest of the two numbers, but mine are exactly the same size. So if one was smaller, that's the one I pick. As it is, they're both the same, so I just pick it. 4.5. And I'm going to round down to the nearest whole number. I find that by simply covering up my tenth. Whatever whole number is there, that's my nearest whole number down. So my number is 4. So my new scale factor is 4. This is the largest scale factor that will work with my choice of drawing paper. Now I turn the paper over. I'm now ready for scaling and creating margins.